this is 4
X18.
Sundown X.
Yeah, X18s. Yeah, on 2 450 ones.
50? Incriminator?
No, the American base.
Okay. Oh, gotcha.
Damn, bitch.
Yeah, me and a couple other friends.
Okay. So you braced it up here?
Yeah.
It don't flex that much. I mean, here it does.
I mean, it does. Yeah, I need a super pull.
What's the door speaker or Crescendo?
Crescendo Neo Forte 8s, and these are PRV Neos.
PRV Neos. What about your doors, stock or
Nothing in them.
nothing in them? Okay. What's your 4 or 2 channel for your mids and highs?
2000 by 4 Taramps.
Taramps? Okay.
I got another song from here.
And this is a 4th order, just to okay.
Yeah, they don't play really low.
What's it tuned to?
It's 45, 46.
46.
Pretty high.
Do you know what it meters?
A 55, 9, and 28 Outlaw.
Nice. Oh wow, okay. That's pretty low too. Where's your amps at, in the back?
Yeah, they're all the way in the back.
Is it open?
Yeah, you can go look.
Can I go see?
It's not the prettiest, yeah.
It's alright. They get to see at least what the power is on it. Appreciate the demo. What was your name again?
Logan.
Logan? Jacob. Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, I'll see you on YouTube.
Yes, sir. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
If you take me up and show me the balcony, looking over the Hollywood Valley, I'll make your balloon pop. Pop stars like oh gosh, this will be like 21.
Old. It's 17.
Jesus.
I'll catch that door.
That's low.
17.
And you play it with one window up, no unload. That's pretty impressive.
Yola, take a short.